All right, so this was me trying to get my shit together last year. That's exactly what that was. That is the best exclamation for that. I was just trying to figure it out. I was not prepared for the day that I no longer was interested in network engineering. I wasn't prepared for that, like, at all. I didn't see that happening, but that's exactly what happened. And once I realized last year that networking just wasn't what I wanted to do going forward, I had to figure out what to do next, and I had no idea. I would just go to record right now. Money. Now, what really led me down even creating this mind map in the first place, which helped me map out, you know, the different things that I wanted and discovering what my core values were, was here I am where I didn't know what I wanted to do career-wise. I was lost. And so I decided to actually take part in one of the benefits my current employer at the time was providing, which was free access to virtual therapy. And it happened to be cognitive behavioral therapy, also known as CBT therapy. And it was helpful. I was just like, why not try it? I had never tried therapy before. And I was just like, well, it's free. I don't know what I want to do work-wise, so why not try it, you know? And I'm glad I did, because it did help me. It forced me to sit down and have an honest conversation with myself where I was just like, Shala, what do you want to do? Like, what do you care about? And not just work-wise, but in life. What are your core values? And I started thinking about, you know, things like curiosity, fun, flexibility, health. It was thanks to therapy and having honest conversations with myself, which made me pay attention to the fact that I had friends working in cloud that was making a shit ton of money. And I was just like, yo, why? I don't know, like, this light bulb just seriously went off. And I swear, I've had a friend in my ear since 2019 telling me, when are you going to get in cloud? And I was just like, I don't know, you know, I don't think I want to do cloud. And then fast forward 2021, I'm like, hey, friend, yeah, I want to get in cloud. I swear, I just realized how many of my friends were working in cloud, making good money and working 100% remote. And I was just like, I need that in my life. Now, the vision section of this, I don't know about you, but when I first decided to look more into pivoting to cloud, I was feeling overwhelmed just with all the different cloud roles that are out there. And I was just like, yo, I want to work in cloud, but I don't know what I want to do in cloud. This section was just me listing out all the different cloud roles I was hearing about, either through friends and Googling and stuff like that. And this was just basically me keeping track of, okay, what roles are out there and which ones do I think I want to do. I can look at this and figure out what stuff that I like, remove stuff that I don't like, and it makes it less overwhelming. And then it's gonna help me at some point. I don't know what I want to do. Okay, so the goals section, these were my action items to actually go forth, get the knowledge I need so I can land one of the cloud roles to get to the whys. I'll do a separate video where, you know, based on what I know now working in cloud, what would I do differently as far as what I would learn first? Linux. At the end of all of it, this career map thing, one, it helped me figure out that cloud was my next go-to, and I'm glad about that. I'm happy, having a blast. But also importantly, I showed this during the interview where I ultimately ended up getting hired, you know, to kind of say, yeah, I know I don't have any cloud certs. I know I have zero cloud experience, but yo, here's the vision. Here's my plan. Here's what I'm going to do to get the knowledge I need. Like, I'm not playing at this. Like, I'm for real. I just need a shot. Like, just put me in, coach. Okay, so next video, I'll dive deeper into what I did when I was interviewing for a cloud role and what I believe helped me ultimately get hired, even though I didn't have a cloud cert and had not worked in cloud before. So be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, tap on the bell icon, and that way you'll get notified when I drop the next video. Thanks for coming by. It's much appreciated. I'll see you next time. Later.